footage. Say hi to the family.
Good morning.
The Downshifter family. Alright guys, so we're here with Kevin and Brittany.
Yeah, Lite right?
Lite right.
Hey, how's it going?
Yeah, and you follow it.
Alright guys, so we're back here at South Point. Second day. The man of the hour, Brad. Guess what happened to me? I went last night and I was checking my footage, and for some reason just your footage decided to be corrupted. Out of everyone's footage.
Isn't that how it always goes?
Since I did lose my footage. Say hi to the family.
Good morning.
It's the Downshifter family and Recon here. Had an amazing time yesterday.
Awesome.
Honestly, within the first like 2 hours, I was extremely like motivated and excited to like just do what I'm doing, and I don't know. So today I'm pretty excited to just hear your you know, your talk about like, you know, shooting and stuff like that. And I do get tips from other people, but I think I'd love to hear your tips because you actually do it on the field in your car. And the people that I talk to are like people that do it for events, you know, clubs, stuff like that. So I think it's a little bit different, and they don't really understand. So hopefully I can get some, you know, good information.
Right on.
All right.
Yes, you
All right, Brad. Thank you. And you did a good job yesterday, actually.
Thank you very much.
So what we're gonna do is, I did forget to put my ticket yesterday. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and put in one of these boxes. Not really sure which one I want to do, but I did forget to do it yesterday. Let you guys know what I decided, and hopefully I win something. So this is what I'm going for, the E3 firearms raffle. So hopefully, I mean, I've been thinking of getting one, especially if I'm going to be off-roading and doing overlanding by myself. So just to keep myself safe.
This could be a marriage saver.
Well, I wanted you to blow on it.
Oh.
I just want to share with you some of the lessons that I've learned over the years of doing this, and share with you some of the tools and some of the techniques that I think will be helpful if you want to film your next adventure, or maybe you just want to know, how does Brad do all this stuff? How does he make this happen? So we'll share a little bit about that as well. So.
All right, guys. So we're here with Kevin and Brittany.
Yeah, with Lite right?
Lite right.
Hey, how's it going?
And actually, your fans want to know when are you going to start the cooking series for off-road?
We cook all the time.
Yeah, but do you?
Mountain House meals.
You do?
We just heat up Mountain House. We just put
No,
we put
no.
boiling water inside of a pouch. We don't cook. We don't cook.
So the thing is, we wanted to see a showdown between you and Marco making some fish tacos, cutting it, and just check it out and just see who makes the best fish tacos.
Brittany, can you cook fish tacos? Can you cook fish tacos? She wants you to do a cook-off
Yeah,
between
so
you
the,
and Marco.
so the fans want to know when you guys are starting your own cooking sessions, your own cooking videos, and competing against Marco.
If you want me to cook, the only cooking you're going to be getting is macaroni and cheese, peanut butter and jelly. Or, I've got one more.
What?
Up my sleeve.
What? What do you have?
Ham and cheese. That's
Oh.
all I got.
But as a panini.
Mountain House. I can do Mountain House meal.
That's what he said.
That's what I said.
That's what he said. No, but I've seen a couple of your guys' videos. I'm on the overlanding side,
Okay.
But I have watched, and I did cheer for you guys at Peanut Hammers.
Awesome, thank you.
So I'm
Sweet.
glad that you guys finished that. I saw that. It's playing. But the other thing is, I mean, you guys did talk about all the stuff that goes on in your videos when, you know, not everything goes right. So it'd be nice to see like a bloopers video. I'm sure you guys
We
have.
try doing that, yeah. Can of Hammers, we mostly showed most of the stuff.
A lot of stuff.
Yeah, we mostly show most of the stuff. But we try doing that. You know, we have bloopers at the end. What's up, man?
Because
Yeah.
I think like I watch like Brad all the time, and like I always see their setup is always so neat, you know. I feel like your guys is more real. Honestly, when you guys film, your stuff is like.
Well,
more
we don't,
real.
because we don't plan anything.
that's
Brad
what
and
it
them,
is.
they do plan out. He likes the things to be a certain way. We just like.
Yeah.
Things get said, things get done.
And honestly, that's what I've noticed between them and you
Yeah,
guys.
it's very professional. It's very professional. We're very vlog. Just this is what you get.
do it,
This is
and
what you
whatever
get.
happens.
Whatever happens, happens.
Alrighty. Well, thank you so much.
Yeah,
Really
nice
appreciate
meeting
it.
you.
Good morning, Downshifters. It's the third day, and you guys probably can tell by my change of outfit this weekend. What I've kind of really learned and kind of noticed is that there are people that come, you know, to this kind of stuff with their spouses, with their loved ones. I saw somebody with their dad, with their friend, and stuff like that. But I did see a lot of people on their own. they're out here by themselves, you know, enjoying themselves, having a good time, getting that experience and learning. And that's myself as well. I mean, I did ask a couple of people if they wanted to come, but I can't expect everybody to have the time to do things, you know, and come out. But don't be afraid to do things on your own, and don't be afraid to like explore. And if you want to go out to an event or out to a conference, off-roading, you know, camping, stuff like that, don't ever be afraid to find like a local spot to go do that where you're still close to home. Hiking, you know, backpacking, going to the beach, even just going to the movies, you know, on your own. Don't ever think you have to do that with somebody else. I've learned to just, you know, do things on my own and have a good time and experience it and meet amazing good people. This weekend for sure, I've got to talk to Marco from Overland X. You guys know who he is. I've, you know, got to talk to Trail Recon with Brad. I got to talk to his Brad's wife. I got to talk to Lite. I've got to talk to KYD from YouTube. I've got to meet all these other people, amazing people that I've met so far, and I've exchanged that network. And hopefully in the near future we can, you know, meet up and do a show together. And big shout out to Ali from KC Lite, which he's an amazing guy. Every time I meet him, he's just so cool. And yeah, thanks for a lot of words of wisdom. And this is where this kind of spill comes from, is from just me talking to him yesterday. Felt like I did, you know, almost 40 minutes or almost an hour just chatting it up. And, you know, just wanted to let you guys know that, you know, just be adventurous. You don't need anybody. Sometimes it'd be nice to have somebody, but, you know, don't let that ever stop you from doing the things you want to do. And it shouldn't be expensive either. I'm honestly driving my 2004 Jeep. I did an Airbnb shared. I think I paid like $160 for 3 nights, and I shared a house, but I really didn't even see anybody there. And so yeah, that was a good experience. Nothing happened. And just want to say, you know, enjoy life, live life, love life, and yeah. But let me go ahead and head to the conference, and maybe, you know, shoot a couple more things and meet up more people before I head out back to LA. All right, I'll talk to you in a bit, downshifters. All right, John. So you're one of our founding members here at E3, right?
Yeah.
All right, John.
Hey,
everyone. Woo. All right, John. Thank you so much.
Well, I thank you
Thank you.
for all your hard work being here.
Oh yeah, you too. And I know you're a veteran, right?
Correct.
Oh, that's awesome. That's what I'm
Well,
trying.
I take a look at downshifters and regard something with the way that you're doing it and so forth. You're downshifting your life to
Correct.
better,
Exactly.
so that you can go slowly and enjoy.
Exactly. You put it in the right, perfect words. So check this out, guys. We just won a generator, permanent generator. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet, but someone gave me an idea to charge my phone with it. So we'll see if that works out.
It
But
does have a USB port.
there you go, USB port. Do that. So we're gonna load it up and take it back to LA.
Come on up here, Market Trips. I mean, I love watching them trip on the channel. I thought it was perfect to get them all up here. Let's talk to them.
You are amazing. You are so amazing.
Great work. Great work.
All right. Wow.
You've got a fifth wheel.
Yes.
Montana?
No.
Oh, no. It's
Spark 39.
That's right. That's Sandpiper, right?
Sandpiper.
Yeah, and you pull it with?
With Longhorn 2500.
I'm so happy to find out he was in our
In the open, that means the conference ended and it's time to head back home. Gonna get in my car and take that drive back to LA. Just want to say, like, this was a pretty neat experience. Money well worth it. If you guys did see, I did win that generator. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I'm sure I'll find a good use for it. Either my family will, my friends, I'm sure it'll come in handy. But definitely a good experience. Met a lot of people out here. Was a good way to network and just build some new relationships. So a lot of people that came out here are kind of in the same boat as I am. Either they've been doing this not for too long, or have been doing this for a long time. Either out here, you know, solo like I was, and, you know, just meeting new people and just trying to get into this whole overlanding off-roading community. And but met a lot of really cool people, and the event was awesome. Besides just talking about camping and overlanding and off-roading and stuff like that, there was just great experience overall. And but can't wait to get back home. But before I do, I will stop by the cruise house and give them a little something, a little token of my appreciation for the time that they spent, you know, coming out with me, helping me out with my videos. So yeah, and well, let's get to the cruise house on our way back to LA and give them that token of appreciation. So yeah, all right, Downshifters.